Hello everyone. This video showcases an incredibly simple knitting technique that is perfect for beginners. The pattern consists of just 2 stitches and 2 rows. Between the 2 rows, we will shift 1 stitch. Therefore, we need to start with several stitches that are a multiple of 2, plus 1 for the shift, and 2 additional edge stitches. We will knit the edge stitches at the end of the row and slip them at the beginning. Row 1 right side, slip the edge stitch first. Then, we will work with loops in pairs. Knit 2 loops together through the back. Then knit the second loop separately through the back as well. Again, knit 2 loops together through the back, then knit the second loop separately. Continue this process until the end of the row. Knit 2 loops together through the back, then knit the second loop separately. At the end of the row, knit 1 stitch, which will be used to create the shift on the wrong side row. Row 2 wrong side, we will work with loops in pairs. New pairs are created using the single loop that ends the previous row. Purl the second loop, then purl the first. Again, purl the second loop, then purl the first. Continue this process until the end of the row. Purl the second loop, then purl the first. At the end of the row, purl 1. I have shared a new knitting pattern that features an attractive appearance, strong structure, and ease of use. I highly recommend using this beautiful and easy to follow technique to create unique and luxurious garments and accessories with a fine texture and elegant look. As you plan your upcoming projects, I encourage you to consider this technique and give it a try. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Not Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you will adore. Thank you very much for being part of my audience. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.